The second of these functions is to provide liquidity, and the third of these functions is to diversify risks. The first function that a bank serves is to be an intermediary between savers and borrowers. As an intermediary, banks save borrowers and savers the time and effort associated with person-to-person transactions to get funds. Instead of having to go through this, the saver is connected to a much wider range of people who would like to borrow money from them. The second main function that a bank serves is liquidity provision. With liquidity provision, banks make cash more readily accessible when and where you want it. For example, you can keep a credit or debit card on hand and use this to buy stuff instead of having to carry around cash or gold or silver in order to buy stuff. It allows you to just put all your cash away. It takes away some of the risk of losing it, and it allows you to constantly have your entire account on hand. The third and final function that a bank offers is risk diversification. Risk diversification is a bank's way of protecting their savers' money from investments and other loans. For example, imagine you loan money to a friend or family member. If that friend or family member is to go bankrupt, you will never make your money back. However, with banks, due to risk diversification, you are guaranteed that you will get your money back. Because banks have so many savers and most borrowers do indeed repay, this means that banks will always be able to return the money, and no individual saver will bear the full burden of someone not being able to pay. Because of this, banks are able to provide peace of mind and allow savers and borrowers to diversify risks.